For those of us who have lived in older homes, if you've got timber joinery, chances are you've had a crack at painting the windows. Key steps to successfully painting the windows.
Cleaning to start off with.
Yep.
The preparations, if anything is moved or there's cracks,
yes.
or there's any flaking paint, don't just paint over it, prepare it properly. Depending on the build, there might be all sorts of things that have happened, so
yes.
maybe take some pictures and you can ask an expert on the Resene website or go into your local colour shop. But the main thing really is getting the right type of paint for the moving parts of the joinery.
Right.
Your standard acrylic paint is going to block and stick and pull off. So make sure you get a waterborne enamel or a traditional enamel for painting joinery.
Okay. And then the steps are obviously sand, prep, prime, fill, then top coats?
So you're right all the way up. So when you fill it, after you've filled it, you want to re-prime it before the top coat.
Okay, so all of these little nail holes in that, we're going to fill it. We're going to fill it with filler.
Yep.
And then make sure that you've got a coat of primer on there.
Yep.
How important is brush selection for this?
Definitely. You've got, same as roller sleeves, right? You've got brushes and sleeves for certain jobs.
Yep.
And something like this, where you want everything to look as nice and smooth and as fresh as possible, you don't want to be using the 100mm brush you use for the fence.
Right.
So there's brushes that are angled for cutting in around windows.
Yep.
And the paint flows so well off the legend brushes we sell in the shops.
Yep.
But any decent quality brush you can get your hands on, really, for just giving you the best finish possible.
And the other thing that was said to me, kindly I hope, by some old painters that I was working with is stop playing with it. So brush, load it up, on, and then a couple of strokes and then leave it. Don't keep going over the same area.
Waterborne enamels will level out over time. So you put the first coat on, it's going to dry differently. Like obviously if you can have heaters going, dehumidifiers and fans going, it will help. But you'll look at it and if one bit will look dry, one bit will look wet. Don't start playing around thinking with it. Wait for it all to dry. You can give it a light sand and then put the top coat on.
Right. Excellent advice. Much appreciated.